Before you look to the bedroom for answers, pause. Desire is a cellular signal, and your body decides long before your partner ever does. I believe this matters to you because what if the intimacy and desire you're begging for isn't waiting for your partner or a new weekend getaway, but already waiting inside you in the way your cells are nourished and your nervous system is supported? Understandably, most women, including myself, look outward for desire. They expect their partner to give them what they don't know how to generate. But desire isn't primarily a bedroom event. Desire is a cellular event. For many years, I worked as a holistic private chef, and I was privy to see how luxury women cultivated desire for themselves or didn't. A lot of these women tried to fill the void with food, affairs, shopping. But for those that didn't rely on their partner, they curated desire in themselves by deeply nourishing beauty and enriching their minds. I came to learn that when you lead your body, you can then lead your relationship. And if that is not the ultimate form of power, I don't know what is. If your body is running on emergency reserves, coffee, stress, late dinners, skim nourishment, your cells are in survival mode. And it can make you point your finger at your partner, expecting them to provide the desire that you're just too depleted to bring to the table. When I work with women who want to cultivate more desire, more beauty, more health, I work off of my 3 pillars: body, beauty, and brilliance. When it comes to your body, you want to signal your cells with minerals, hydration, vitamin-rich bites that tell your entire being that you're supported. These nutrients literally raise your baseline vitality, which in turn signals desire to you and your partner. When it comes to beauty, I'm not talking about makeup, I'm talking about radiance, ease, and safety. Maybe that's creating a daily tea ritual for yourself that brings warmth and safety to your nervous system. Perhaps it's going to your favorite organic skin store and picking out the products that accentuate your natural beauty. Maybe it's simply going for a bike ride to recalibrate and center yourself. When it comes to brilliance, this is about clarity and presence, to be so tuned in to your needs that you feel calm enough to make every decision with the utmost confidence. I love taking walks and fueling my brain daily with the right nutrients, and maybe for you, walks are your thing, or perhaps you like Pilates, yoga, or just sitting and being with yourself. It's so easy to point the finger at everyone else, especially your partner, to cultivate the desire you deeply ache for. I know, I lived for so many years in that space with my partner, but ultimately it makes you a victim of your circumstances. I came to realize desire doesn't live in blame, desire lives in choice. One of my favorite quotes by Viktor Frankl is the following: "Everything can be taken from a man, but the last of the human freedoms to choose one's attitude in any given set of circumstances is to choose one's own way." If you have any tips or tricks about how to cultivate desire after 40, I'd love to hear that, so please drop it in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, ladies. I'll see you in the next video.